Hey testers, today we are looking to a very important topic, that is implicit wait versus explicit wait. Okay, now your Selenium test pass sometimes and randomly fail with no such element exception or element click intercepted exception next time. Okay, in this video I will show you exactly how to fix those flaky tests using implicit wait, explicit wait. We will write real Selenium Java code, see how both weights behave in the browser, and then I will give you a clear difference summary that is perfect for interviews. Okay, so let's start. Example of this website. Okay, now after entering into this website, I have to click on this sign in button so that I can move up to here. So I can enter my email address. So what I have done, I have taken XPath of this one, and after I have taken the ID of this one. If I inspect it, now you can clearly see that this input ID has a ID login underscore ID, and I have taken a XPath of this sign in button. Okay, just copy the XPath. I have rewritten some lines like static Chrome driver, Chrome options, new Chrome options, and start, maximize, disable notifications, and I pass my options into Chrome driver. Then I will open the website. After that, I will click on that sign in button, the relative XPath dot click, and after that I have passed the text. I'm assuming that you know all the basic things before watching this video. Okay, so let's start. It has opened it. Okay, now it has click on sign in. Okay, now it has not write anything over here. If we come back to our code, it has given me the error element not interactable. Okay, and if I click on this link, it will go to this line. Okay, now here I will use implicit wait. Okay, now this is how we will write implicit wait, driver.manage.timeout.implicit wait, and duration of how many seconds. Okay, now if I run my code again, now you see that it has been written. Okay, now I will click on this next button. I will copy the XPath or ID of this this next button. After the clicking of next button, again the password is there. I will just inspect it. Now it has the ID of password. Okay, now I will write the password. So here am I. After the clicking of next button, this line in the next button, I will give another wait of 20 seconds. Then I will send keys and write a password in the password box. Okay, let's run this. Okay, till this point we have done. Okay, and we are moving forward like clicking on this button. Then after that I will again put the implicit wait and again pass my password to the password box. Let's run this. Again it is giving me an error. Okay, so here implicit wait will not work. So what will I do? I will comment this one. Okay, and I will use my WebDriverWait. WebDriverWait equal to new WebDriverWait driver and duration of dot of seconds 15 and wait dot until now expected conditions. Okay, now if you look over here for expected conditions, you have many options like visibility of all elements. Okay, so you have many conditions like element located, all element located. Okay, so you have many conditions. Alert is present. Okay, attribute to be, element to be clickable. So there are many options. Okay, so right now I am using visibility of element located. Now by dot xpath and the xpath of my password, that is input ID equal to password. Okay, now and after that driver dot find element and I will send the keys password. Okay, now let's run this. Okay, Now you see here it has written password. So here this password is visible on some condition, and the condition is that after the clicking of this button. So here you have to use explicit wait. Now we will discuss the important part, that is difference between implicit wait and explicit wait. You can speak this exactly in interviews. Okay, now scope. Implicit wait global for the entire WebDriver instance and applies to all element searches. Okay, explicit is local and applied only where you write wait dot until. Now control. Implicit only controls how long to wait for presence in DOM. Explicit waits for specific conditions, visibility, clickability, text present, URL change, alerts, etc. Okay. Now flexibility. Implicit one timeout for everything. Okay. Now explicit different timeouts for different elements on different pages. Okay. Now if you want a separate video on fluent wait and how it is different from plain explicit wait, tell me in the comments. I will make that video. Like this video, subscribe to the channel for more Selenium with Java content, and share it with any tester who is fighting flaky tests. Okay, thank you.